Are you considering moving to the Emerald Coast of Florida? Are you PCSing? Did you get orders to Eglin, Hurlburt, Whiting, NAS, Pensacola, Tyndall, or any of the surrounding bases here in the Emerald Coast of Florida? Well, I have created a guide that is going to help you get from point A to point B and beyond. So right here, this is a link to my link tree, and this is going to take you to a little welcome video. Right here, you can friend request me. I'm happy to get you any information that you need. Fun things to do this month in the Emerald Coast, the Best of the Emerald Coast YouTube channel. That's where I share all kinds of great places to get prime rib, great places to get oysters, where to go for seafood, best salons in the area for you ladies and gentlemen, and the ultimate guide. This is going to share with you a map of the area and what is close to each military base. And down below, if you know what base you're going to get, you have orders to, or you just want to poke around and get to know each base, I have built a guide for Eglin, Hurlburt, NAS, Pensacola, Tyndall, and 7th Special Forces Group bases. So these will help you get from point A to point B and get around the base, and different resources are available there. The ultimate guide, so if you're using a mobile phone, this map doesn't always work properly, but you can get to a desktop and see what we're talking about. I created a video kind of explaining the ultimate guide to the Emerald Coast. Right here you can see the different pens. These will represent the different military bases and where they are, to give you an idea of the area, and then the letters will represent the towns and cities that are near the bases. So you can say, well, look at Eglin. It looks like Crestview's close to Eglin. That is correct. So if we want to find a little bit more information on Crestview, we can do that. There's Crestview right there. We'll click Crestview, and here we go. Here is real estate. If you're interested in buying a home in Crestview, all the details, what you can expect to pay for a home in Crestview. And as you click any of these that might catch your eye, you can request a showing with me. I can take you out and look at these places. If you're interested in new construction and the interest rate has been holding you back, or you don't have a ton of funds, there's some great promotions for new construction with D.R. Horton right now. You can connect with me and I can get you access to those promotions. Some of them, for the time being, are offering $1 move-in for VA, or a $10,000 credit toward your closing costs, which is really huge. Some of them are offering interest rates in the 4% range. If you are willing to use their lender. So there's a lot of different new constructions and promotions that are coming in and going out. They do expire, but we do get new promotions in all the time. I am a buyer's representative, so I work with buyers in the area as you're looking to move and locate. It's great to have somebody on your side when you are looking to buy new construction, because the agent who's there at the open house or who is on site is the representative of the builder, and they have the builder's best interest in mind. So it's good to have somebody negotiating for you. As we go back to my little link tree here, this is the PCS guide, military PCS guide, I should say. It'll take you to all kinds of different information again. So if you want to check out the Eglin Air Force Base guide, there's a bunch of links to everything you'll need. Are your kids going to be going to school? Do you need fun things to do? Here's some area safety information, and here is a map of Eglin. And yeah, just a little diagram where everything is, how to navigate your way around base, which is awesome. And here's a reference back to the ultimate guide. So if you are interested in moving to the Emerald Coast of Florida, if you will be PCSing, I am a certified military relocation professional, and I make it my mission to work with those who are PCSing and military veterans and families and anything military and everyone in between to help get them into the Emerald Coast of Florida. I negotiate hard for you to get you away with the win when you find that perfect place. And if you're interested in buying a home, I'd be happy to help get you into your next place and help you along the path with the move. If you own a place, if you own a home in the area that you're PCSing from or moving from, I work very tightly with other agents in different markets. So chances are I know an agent in your marketplace, and I can get you hooked up with a vetted listing agent, and we can work hand in hand to get that one sold while simultaneously getting you into a new home. It's like clockwork, and I've done it several times. So anything that you probably could come up to ask me, I bet I've been asked it before, and I'm happy to help you in your journey in PCSing. So congratulations. I bet you this area is going to be one of your favorite duty stations if you are PCSing over. But again, my name is Sonja Rankin with Realty One Group Emerald Coast. And please feel free to check out my guide. It is in the description below. You can subscribe for more information like this. And also, you can check out my other area guides or the fun stuff on YouTube. You can check out my YouTube channel, and I have all kinds of different fun places to go, things to do in the area. So thanks so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy this place as much as I have.